Hi guys, to start off this tutorial, I'm just using an eyebrow pencil from Eyeshadow in the shade Chestnut. And then to get that soft effect sa harapan ng brows ko, I'm just using an eyebrow powder. Then lastly, I'm just taming the brow hairs in place with an eyebrow gel, and this is from Fashion 21. Now with a Maybelline Fit Me concealer, I'm just priming my lids and also carving out the brows. And just blending the concealer with a dense brush. Then after nyan, I'm just setting my lids with a loose powder from Eyeshadow also. Then I'm using the EB Advanced Uncover 2 palette, starting off with this muted pink color for my transition shade. And I'm just using a blending brush here, and I'm trying to build up the color. This shadow is actually pigmented, but you have to build it up if you really want the color to be intense. Then with the orange shade sa palette, I'm just using this precise brush and i-blend ko siya dun sa may eye socket ko, much lower dun sa kaninang eyeshadow shade. And then blending it again with a fluffy brush for a more cohesive look. And then after nyan, I'm just using a smaller blending brush and I dipped it sa parang burgundy shade. And I'm just carving out yung crease ko. And then blending it again with a fluffy brush para walang harsh lines. And then I'm using this dark brown shade with a blending brush again. And ilalagay ko siya sa outer V ng mata ko. Parang to give the smoky effect. And I'm just building up the color. You just have to be patient with these shadows. And then going back in with the burgundy shade to blend yung brown shade para walang harsh lines. Now with a tiny brush, I'm just using a concealer to carve out my eyelids kasi this is a cut crease look, but half cut crease lang yung gagawin ko. So I keep on looking in front para ma-make sure ko na pantay yung pagka-cut ko ng crease, and also may make sure ko kung kita ba siya if nakadilat ako. And then I'm going in with the dark brown again, and then blending it inwards, and also with the burgundy shade. Then with this rose gold shade from the palette, I'm using this packing brush and binasa ko siya para mas lalong pigmented yung shadow. And I'm just building it up, as you can see. And then I'm blending again with a burgundy shade, para hindi naman sobrang harsh ng line And then I'm just using my index fingers to carve out the edges kasi parang it's gonna clean up the edges but it's not gonna give that parang masking tape effect na sobrang sharp. But it's gonna clean it up. So, parang soft lang yung line. And then, going in with a lighter shimmer shade for my brow bone highlight. Okay, so I think I did my foundation na dito. So, I'm bronzing my face na with a butter bronzer and also my nose kasi syempre pango. And then parang lalo makontour yung nose, I'm using the Shawil Perfect Powder in 003 para lalong ma-define yung nose ko. And then again, with the brow bone highlight, nilalagay ko naman siya sa may inner corners ng mata ko. Now with the orange shade, sa lower lash line naman, para ma-balance, diba? Kasi heavy yung sa eyelids, so dapat sa lower lash line meron din. And then with the burgundy shade, I'm just mixing it with the orange shade kanina. Now with the same brush, yung dark brown naman, pero dun lang sa may outer corner sa lower lash line. And then I'm just using my Innisfree mascara. Then sa lower lash line, of course. And then with this Bobby Cosmetics lash brightener, so nagamit ko siya dun sa lower lash line also to brighten up my eyes. Okay, so I already applied my falsies, and with the Bobby Cosmetics contour kit, I used the blush and the highlight. So yeah, so I'm just applying my highlight. Then also sa nose, syempre, to give it a more lifted look. Now with this Detail Makeover liquid lipstick in the shade Loth. And yeah, I'm just applying that. And yeah, I think we're done, and that's it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you again on my next video. Bye!